NEET exam is in 720 marks. Total number of question is 180. For each correct answer, 4 marks the student gets. For each incorrect, 1 marks. So based on the correct and incorrect answers, the student will be getting the NEET score. Till this much, student and the parents aware. But important information what the student and the parents does not know, that is what happen if more number of students get same NEET score. I'll show you one statistics. In 2024, MCC counseling round 3 last cutoff rank for general category, means the last student who got government college. In general category, his NEET rank was 24,842. Now, you can see based on his NEET rank, what was the NEET score? The score was 652. This was the NEET score. But you want to know how many students has got the same NEET score but they didn't get the government college. I'll show you. This all the students, 24,844, 24,848, 24,849, 24,870. Starting from this, you can see till this range, 25,225. So the student who got last government college, his rank was 24,842. His NEET score was 652, and the student whose rank is 25,225, his rank score is also 652. So there are around 250 to 300 students is there whose NEET score is same, but they didn't get the government college. Whereas in the same score, the student has got government college. The reason is that his rank is in the upper scale. What is the reason behind that? How NTA distribute the rank even though the candidate's NEET score is same? Today, I'll give you the complete information. Student, myself Ayan Ghosh, I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel and if you are appearing NEET 2025, subscribe our YouTube channel to get all important and relevant information connected with the MBBS admissions in 2025. Click on the bell icon so whenever we'll be giving any important video, immediately you'll be getting the notifications. Let's start. I'll show you another statistics here. How many student has got 650 score in 2024? You can see starting from 26,161, 650 score, and last is 27,368. So around 1,200 student has got 650 score in 2024. But you can understand only for 1 rank, 5 rank, 10 rank, the student lose the government college. So that is the importance of the rank in this counseling. How NTA distribute or rearrange the rank even though the candidate is having the same NEET score. First important point, that they first check the marks of biology. If there are multiple students whose NEET score is same, first they consider whose biology score is more. If the biology score is similar for multiple students, then they will check which student's chemistry score is more. If chemistry score is also same, then they will check which student is having the physics score more. Physics score will be the third criteria. First criteria is biology, second criteria is chemistry, and third criteria is the physics. Okay. After that also, if many students are there who's having the same NEET score, then how they will distribute the rank? What they do? They check the overall, the student incorrect and the correct answer, and they make a proportionate of that. How? I'll tell you. Let's consider two students. One is candidate A and another is candidate B. For candidate A, total number of attempt is 150, whereas 140 is the correct answer and 10 is the incorrect answer. Okay, 140 is the correct answer and 10 is the incorrect answer. So total score, NEET score, it will be 550. If you consider 140 into 4, 560 minus 10, it will be 550. For candidate B, total number of questions he attended 180, whereas 146 is the correct and 34 is the incorrect. If you calculate it, 146 into 4 minus 34, it comes 550. Both the student is having the same NEET score. But what is their proportionate of incorrect and the correct? You can see this. First student is having a proportionate of incorrect and the correct question, that is 10 is to 140. 10 incorrect and 140 is the correct. And second questions, incorrect 34 and correct is 146. Here you can see the student who attempted 150 questions, 140 correct and 10 incorrect, his proportionate is less compared to the candidate B. Candidate A's proportionate is less than candidate B. Means candidate A's proportionate of incorrect answer is less compared to the candidate B. So that is the reason the candidate A's rank will be upper scale considered compared to the candidate B. So first biology marks, second chemistry marks, third is physics marks, fourth is the proportionate of total incorrect and correct ratio. Based on that, whose ratio is less, they will make the marks. After that also, if you see it is coming similar, then they will make this proportionate of incorrect and correct of biology, particularly biology. In biology, how many incorrect and how many correct? Based on that, they will make the rank. After biology also, if they see the score is same, I mean the proportionate is same, then they make the proportionate of chemistry. In chemistry, incorrect versus correct, whose proportionate is less. Same in physics also they do. If in chemistry that the ratio is same for both the candidate. Based on that, they make the rank. So first, biology, physics, chemistry score, biology score, chemistry score, physics score. After that, they make the proportionate, overall proportionate of incorrect marks is to correct marks. If that is also same, then chemistry's, then biology's incorrect marks, correct marks, then chemistry's incorrect marks and correct marks, then physics incorrect and correct marks. This is the way they calculate the rank, even though the students' NEET score is same, and then they arrange the rank of the candidate. Students and parents, hope you understood the procedure and why it is important. The student whose biology score will be more, they will be in the upper scale in the rank if the score, overall score is same. The student whose biology negative quotient is less, overall negative quotient is less, so they will be in the upper range for the rank. So what the student will have to do here, they have to focus more in the biology. So if your biology score is more compared to other student, then your rank will be in the upper range if the rank is total overall score is similar. In biology, if your proportionate incorrect answer is less, then you will be in the upper scale. So for that, you have to reduce your incorrect answer also. Then only you will be getting that advantage. Student, hope you understand the procedure, how NTA calculate the rank, even though the student is having the same NEET score, and this is very important for the student and the parents to know. If you feel this video is beneficial for you, you can like this video, you can share this video with all of your friends, so they will also get benefited by this important informations. If you are not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. If you have any query, then you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. We give answer of all the query of the students. Thank you so much, students.